Alright, today I want to teach you something simple that can increase your meetings almost immediately. No better copy, no better targeting, no better subject lines. Speed. Speed is everything when it comes to conversions. If someone replies to your email and you answer in under 5 minutes, your chance of booking a meeting goes way up. If you answer in 30 minutes, that chance drops. If you answer in an hour, it drops even more. And if you answer the next day, most of the time, the moment is gone. So the most important number after a reply is not open rate, it's not reply rate, it's response time. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system we use so reps can answer in under 5 minutes all day without leaving in their inbox. This is one of the highest ROI systems you can build in outbound. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sergio Perea. I run Boost Hero. We build outbound systems for B2B companies using something I call revenue engineering. That means we don't rely on luck or vibes. We design systems around inputs, controls, throughput, and unit economics. Over the last few years, these systems have generated millions in pipeline across SaaS, biotech, and video production. Everything I'm about to show you comes from real volume, real failures, and real data. And one of the biggest leaks we see across almost every team is a slow response time. Teams work hard to get replies and then lose them because they answer too late. So instead of telling reps, be faster, we build systems that make fast replies automatic. Here is the rule we follow. Every interested reply gets a response in under 5 minutes, not sometimes, every time. If you can't do this, you're leaving meetings on the table. This is one of the highest leverage things you can fix in outbound. So the question becomes, how do you build a system where this happens automatically? Let me show you. Here is the stack we use: SmartLead, Clay, GPT scoring, Slack, reply templates, outbound sync, HubSpot or Salesforce, and Beehive. Everything connects, everything moves fast, everything is built for speed. First, all replies from SmartLead sync into a Clay table. Every reply goes into one place, clean, organized, instant. No digging through inboxes, no missed messages. Now we can act immediately. Inside Clay, we use GPT to read the reply. It scores intent based on what the lead said: interested, hot, pricing, info request, wrong person, objection, vendor, follow up later. This happens instantly, so we don't waste time guessing. If a lead is marked as interested, we move right away. When a reply is scored interested, Slack sends a message immediately. The rep sees who replied, what they said, full email thread context. So instead of checking inbox all day, the system checks for them. That's how you stay under 5 minutes consistently. Now we remove the biggest delay, typing replies from scratch. We build reply templates that handle about 90% of responses. So reps don't write from zero, they select. All they do is big time, send message, that's it. Here are the main ones we use. The goal: have short, ready to send replies with a clear next step. No thinking, no delays, just fast movement toward the call. I'm interested. Send the calendar immediately, add one line value of context, ask for a quick call to walk through details and fit. Lock the meeting. Send more info, share a short overview or case study, keep it concise, and with happy to expand on this live, open to a quick call. Information should lead to conversation. Cost: give a realistic range, set expectations clearly, then guide toward the goal to tailor numbers to their situation. Price questions are buying signals. Wrong person: thank them quickly. Ask who owns this, request a warm intro if possible, move the thread to the right contact fast. Simple, fast, consistent. For CRM sync, we use outbound sync to push replies into CRM, HubSpot, or Salesforce. It adds new leads, update old ones, track attribution, keeps everything clean, no manual entry. Here are other scenarios you will find, and this is how you should act. They need further evaluation. If the reply is vague or exploratory, ask one or two sharp questions to understand context. The goal: move from curiosity to a call. Follow up requested, confirm timing. Say something like, got it, I will circle back on next date. Set the reminder immediately. Optionally, send a short resource so momentum stays alive. They have an in-house team, acknowledge their team, then position outside help as a leverage. Speed, specialization, cost, efficiency, offer a quick comparison call. If they pass, keep them in a light follow-up. Now, if someone goes to you for 30 days, add them to a newsletter. We use Beehive, simple weekly insights. Deals often come back later. For high value leads that go cold, send a strong offer. 3 month, free project discount, custom asset. Sometimes you lose money up front to win long term. Most teams think they need more leads. They don't. They need faster replies. You're already paid to generate interest. Don't waste it by responding late. Speed converts. If you run outbound, you must respond in under 5 minutes. If you can't keep up, send fewer emails. Better to be fast than overwhelmed. Reply rate matters, but response speed is what turns replies into meetings. Speed equals revenue. If you want to build this yourself, I put together a resource for you. It includes all my reply templates, all follow-up templates, all response rules, everything we use. You can grab it below. And if you'd rather have this fully set up for you, that's exactly what we do at Boost Hero. We help teams implement revenue engineering systems like this from end to end. That means we design the workflow, we connect the Smart Lead, Clay, Slack, and CRM. We build the scoring logic, we create the templates, we monitor performance, we optimize speed and conversions. So instead of guessing, you have a predictable system. If that sounds helpful, you can book a call at boosthero.co. Either way, engineer the system, move fast. That's how outbound converts now.